Hello, I'm here today to talk about Optical Zonu's line of special application media converters along with our micro OTDR SFP modules. So we're going to do a short unboxing video today where we go through a quick setup guide for our basic starter kit, which includes everything you need to establish an Ethernet link over a fiber path and monitor for fiber faults. So unboxing here, the first thing we have is one of our micro OTDR SFP modules. Now this is a fiber optic transceiver in an SFP form factor, and it actually has an entire OTDR system built into it. So this allows you to monitor fiber path health and detect the distance to any breaks along the fiber path in real time. This is compatible with our own line of fiber optic media converters, as well as third-party media converters that are our partners and we've established a partnership with. So this is our media converter that will allow you to use our micro OTDR SFPs. It also integrates with our larger systems for fiber monitoring, for larger systems such as DAS applications. Also in the box you get our power supply, cable, and power supply. Now the power supply cable is a locking type. It's an inline locking type connector. Now those that have worked in equipment closets know the frustration of trying to track down why a system isn't working, only to find out a cable has come loose. Now with this system, it screws in snugly and you get a firm connection that's not going to pull out. So we're going to go ahead and plug this system in right now, and I'll walk you guys through the setup. So this is a standard USB connector. It can be used with other power supplies or USB connections on equipment. So once we plug that in, we're looking for the lights, which means the system is booting. So I'm going to go ahead and take out our fiber optic SFP transceiver. And we're going to plug this into the SFP port that's on our media converter. Should get an indicator that an SFP has been inserted. Over here on our computer, I'm going to interface with the RJ45 connector so we can actually pull up the web management of the system. Now those of you familiar with network technology, the default IP address of this unit is 192.168.0.11. So in order to actually interface it on the computer, you're going to need to set your network IP address for your computer on the same subnet. So I've already done that here. So I'm going to go to a standard web browser and put in the address 192.168.0.11. Now since these systems are designed to be on closed subnets, you're going to see an SSL certificate error. That's because you're not able to verify the SSL certificate because it's on a closed network. So the default login for this unit is going to be admin. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. Now you see our management page. Now I'm going to navigate to the menu here as seen on the screen so we can indicate the fiber fault path. Now over here I have two fiber spools, both of them approximately 25 kilometers. So all of Optical Zonu SFPs are terminated in UPC connections. So as you can see, this is an SC connector with a blue termination, which indicates that it is a flat UPC termination. So I'm going to remove the fiber cap here. Always make sure to keep your fibers terminated and capped when not in use. So I'll remove this cap and connect to the SFP. So this is now traveling over 25 kilometers of fiber, coming out of this jumper and reflecting off the flat connector here. So over on our management, if we toggle this menu, we can see the distance to fault indicated here. Now this Optical Zonu OTDR system is actually capable of indicating up to 15 fault events. So a fault event can be where two flat fibers are connected together. So we'll see a minor reflection like any standard OTDR system you guys are familiar with. So if I connect another fiber spool, right here I'll remove my cap here, use a standard SC coupler. Now we're traveling a total distance of 50 kilometers over two 25 kilometer spools, terminating in this UPC connector here. So if I go back to the management page, this can be indicated here by the multiple fault indicators present. So that was a short setup video on the optical Zonu micro OTDR SFP system. You could also pair this with another media converter on the other side of your fiber to get a full Ethernet, full gigabit duplex link over 50 kilometers or more of fiber. Thank you very much. Have a good day.